You know that YouTube can help you build your network marketing business, help you recruit, help you get sales. But then when it comes to posting the videos, you're like, okay, what videos should I be using for recruiting? And that's what we're going to be talking about in this video. I'm going to give you the 5 YouTube videos that I have used in my YouTube channel here to help me build my network marketing business and help me get recruits every single month because of my YouTube videos. And actually this week I had somebody just join my team because guess what? She saw my YouTube videos here like you're seeing right now. She joined my team and off she goes. She's off to the races running and crushing it already. So super excited to share with you the 5 videos that you need to be making in order to build your network marketing business here on YouTube. And yes, these videos actually do work also if you're an affiliate marketer, if you are a course creator, anybody that is building an online business that wants to have views while you snooze, people coming in on autopilot to help them grow their business, YouTube is definitely the place to be. And I've done a whole series here for you on how to use YouTube, so definitely make sure you check out those videos. You're not going to want to miss them. And hey, if we're just meeting, my name is Julie Reynolds, and I help small creators sell on YouTube so that you don't need to be an influencer or a YouTuber. And I'm going to share with you the 5 videos that have helped me recruit the most when it comes to YouTube. Right? So we've got our YouTube channel, or maybe we don't have our YouTube channel and you're not exactly sure where to start. I've got a guide for you. I'm going to put it in the description. It's my YouTube Kickstarter guide. It's going to help you get started here on YouTube. So make sure you go and grab that in the description if you're kind of stuck onto what to post and how to optimize your YouTube channel. I've got that for you in the description of this video. But let's talk about the how-to video. Number 1, the how-to videos are so key here on YouTube. You can do videos like how to join X, Y, and Z company, how to make money selling oils, how to make protein shakes and get them for free, right? Lots of how-to videos do super duper well on YouTube. I have several videos that are how to join X, Y, and Z company or whatever your niche is, and it works really, really well. What I want you to remember though, is there's 2 ways to think about optimizing your YouTube videos. Number 1, you can be creating these recruiting videos, so to speak, that are direct for people that are searching for your company and they want to join, because that happens all the time on YouTube. But you also have to think a little bit broader. How can you get those people that are looking for your products and your opportunity and get them thinking also about how they can make money? And so those how-to videos like how to sell oils, how to make an affiliate commission with oils, or how to actually make money selling oils. Those are great videos as well to help you with your recruiting. The number 2 video that I recommend is the story video. What has these products or this opportunity done for you in your life, right? How has it changed your life? Stories sell, facts tell. That's like marketing 101 over here. YouTubers and people that are watching YouTube videos, they love to share their stories because it's engaging. Think about the fact that I just shared with you how I just got a business builder on my team and I started with a story. So how have the products changed your life? Talk about that in your videos. It could be like how X, Y, and Z products have changed my life. And those are the type of videos that you could be making to help you recruit. It's all about the call to action. And I talked about that call to action in last week's video that I made here on this channel. And you know what? I'm just going to link it right here for you so that you can talk about it. But it's all about that call to action that you're giving inside of that video that's going to help you recruit. So make sure you watch that video. So number 1, you've got the how-to videos. Number 2, you've got the story video. Number 3, you've got the review video. Like talk about the review of being at X, Y, and Z company. You can talk about the compensation plan for X, Y, and Z. Those work really, really well when you are talking about how to get people to join your network marketing company that are already personally searching to figure out how to join X, Y, and Z company that you're with. You can review the comp plan, you can review your different options are, the different packs are. Those are all really informational videos that people are looking for when they're already trying to figure out if they should join X, Y, and Z company. Insert your company's name right there. So that's another type of video that you can make. Now, again, with the review videos, remember there's ones that are direct, that are people are searching for your company's product, your company's opportunity, and then there's other ones that you got to think a little bit outside of the box. How can you review how X, Y, and Z products have changed my life, right? And those are going to also attract business builders into your sphere over here. YouTube is so amazing because it pushes out your content to people that you don't know. So unlike any other social media platform where most of your videos, most of your posts go to your followers and your friends, YouTube is very different. And review videos are doing really, really well when it comes to that. Now, the fourth video that I recommend doing is the objection video, right? People are naturally born skeptics. Give them the reasons that people have said, no, I wouldn't join this. Or let's be honest, network marketing can have a bad rap, right? Hit it head on. Talk about those things. Like if the objection video is, the prices are too expensive. Talk about how you get a discount on your products. Talk about how you get an affiliate commission on those products. Talk about what network marketing has done for you as opposed to the negative connotation that can sometimes happen with network marketing, right? Hit it head on. I like to say if you can address the problem or the elephant in the room, you're going to have far less critics because they're not going to be able to really come at you. So a lot of my videos, I'll talk about the good, the bad, the ugly with network marketing because there is a lot of ugly. And so I do it and I address the problem head on. These are great with objection videos, and what it's going to do is it's going to attract people to you because you're going to know that you're able to have those conversations. You're going to be able to combat those conversations, so to speak. And I think it really gives the authenticity of who you are. Because over here on YouTube, like any other social media platform, you want to be authentic. You want to be true to who you are. And we want to make sure that we're, talking about all of the things when it comes to our company, our products, the good, the bad, the ugly. That's what makes you more relatable. And that's what makes people trust you. And it's that like, know, and trust that's so important when people want to do business with you. So make sure that you're raw, make sure you're vulnerable, make sure you tell your story, especially in that objection video. And number 5 is how has X, Y, and Z company helped you? Talk about, again, this goes back to the story. What has X, Y, and Z company done for you, for your family, for your why? And even if it's small and it's nothing grandiose yet for you, it's okay. It's the little things that attract people to you. Most people, what I think most network marketers fear is they think that they have to have this huge story about all of their success for people to want to come and join your team. When the reality is, it's the little things that network marketing does for people that actually bring in other people to you, that actually help you recruit. So for example, a lot of times people don't relate to me because I have hit the top ranks in my company. I do this full time, and they're like, oh, well, that can never be me. Most people actually join network marketing because number 1, they want a sense of community. That's huge. That's so important, especially for moms. Number 2, most people don't come into network marketing because they want to make $10,000, $15,000, $20,000 a month. They just want a little bit of diaper money, or they want some dance money for their kids, or they want to get their manicures and their pedicures and they don't want to have to worry about it. And so talk about how X, Y, and Z has helped you, whether it's something big and grandiose where you've been able to retire, or even if it's something small, like you went to the grocery store and you didn't have to worry about how many groceries you put in. all of those stories are super relatable and actually is going to attract more people to you when it comes to your recruiting. But again, it's about being authentic. It's about being true to who you are. And I am telling you that YouTube is by far my most profitable social media platform. And if you're like, okay, I get it, I want to be on YouTube, like I said, in the description of this video, I have for you my Kickstart guide. It's going to make sure that your channel is well optimized so that people can see your videos and you're not just creating it into the abyss, right? You want to make sure that they're SEO, stands for search engine optimization, even before you start posting your videos. So I've got that Kickstarter guide for you that's going to help you. Go and grab it in the description of this video. I'm telling you, it's going to be a game changer to make sure that those great videos, those great 5 recruiting videos that you have are actually getting seen outside into the abyss of YouTube, because that's the key, because YouTube will show your videos to everyone and not just your followers, which is one of the reasons it makes YouTube so great. So definitely make sure you go and get your Kickstarter guide. I've got it right there for you in the description of this video. And make sure you subscribe to this channel, because I am doing a whole series here on YouTube videos and how to use YouTube to grow your network marketing business. And I'm going to be also talking here in the next week or so about what videos you can be making in order to sell more products. Because yes, YouTube can help you recruit, but it can also help you sell more products. So make sure you subscribe to this channel so you never miss out on another episode of Julie Reynolds TV. Bye guys.